Hey everybody, how's it going? Welcome back to Pink's Garage. Today we are doing an unboxing, possibly even an install. We'll see how that works out. But today we have a box down here that we need to unbox, and I'm going to do that now. I'll make this pretty quick. No reason to make it take forever. Let's get where you can see a little bit more. We're doing this one-handed, so let's see how well I can do. So what we got here, it's something from CarPlay. It's called CarPlay Nav is the website. That's where I got it from. And let's check to make sure. Let's see. Yeah. Sticker, what's this right here? We got, if they want to recycle my old parts, ship them back to them. But my old parts are too old. I don't think they want them from what I looked at. Card. Okay, so the first thing we got here is, what is this? It's a module. I'm not sure what module it is, but it's a module from Ford. So let's go ahead and open that up. See what we got in here. Pretty sure this is probably a USB module. Kind of what it feels like. So let's pull that out of there. Yep, it's a USB module. So you got dual USBs. No USB-C, it's not quite that new, but this is going to be a little upgrade to the car stereo that is in my F150, because right now it is just the basic 4-inch screen, and it's the old school Sync3, and it doesn't work with a damn. So here we have some cables, all the cables to connect everything. An antenna cable, possibly, yeah, GPS antenna to add. Here's another piece to go around that module I just opened for the dash, where I'm going to replace the old stuff that's there. Because right now it's got the old stuff with connections we won't be using anymore. Well, that doesn't want to open. It's all taped up. Let's see what we can do about that. Sharpen the knife, I keep telling myself. I keep not doing it. So, feels like we got the APEM here, which is the audio computer, and possibly the screen. Oh, you know, I really should use my other camera here. Well, I'm going to go grab my other camera and put it on the tripod. I'll be right back. Okay, well, apparently I found a mount for my camera to put it on the tripod, because I cannot find my other. All my other cameras are dead right now. No batteries out. See if we can get this thing out of here. At least they wrapped it well. I was right. It's the screen and the APEM on the back. So I'm going to be careful with that. Don't want to damage it. Then we should have the last piece, which is a little thing to mount it in my truck. So this one's a bit different than the one I've got in there. So it's got all the controls on it, which is nice. This one has 2 switches and mine only has 1. So I'm going to have to find a plug for one of the switches. Yeah, so this is all I need. So it's got these air conditioning controls, which are I think the same as what's in it. I'd have to look. So let's go look. Let's go see what we've got currently. Okay, the F150. It's an older one. It's a 2013. So yeah, you see right there. This only has the single button for the traction control off instead of the double. This really doesn't match the rest of the car, so I think this is upgraded once already. I think originally this came with just the regular no display radio, but that's what I have now for controls. It's a little bit different. I don't mind. I kind of like the other controls better anyway. So we're going to be pulling that out, and then down here this will come out, and that's what it'll get replaced with the other USB jacks. But It's a little tight in here. It's really hot in here too. I should roll the windows down, but I gotta turn power on for that. So I guess all that's left to do is for me to go in and remember how to take all this stuff apart and get it out of here. And this will get rid of the screw that was in here. I don't know why there's a screw in there, but there is. But yeah, that's what we're gonna do. So that's probably gonna wrap it up for today. Just a quick unboxing video, show you what I got. I just have the new, it's a Sync3. It's not even Sync2, it's Sync3. So it's not the latest Sync4, but it's the same that's in my Focus and my Mustang and my wife's Mustang. And you know, it's something I'm used to. It'll work better. Like trying to get Bluetooth on this phone to work with those old Sync1, every time you went in there you had to select your source and go to Bluetooth audio and let it hook up. It's a pain in the ass. So really didn't like doing that, and I want my navigation and all that stuff back. So anyway, I'm going to try and get that done here tonight. Maybe I'll video it. We'll see. Stay tuned. And maybe in the future you'll see me put another video with an install for it. It should be pretty basic. I don't even think I have to do much in programming. It should just be a quick, simple install. And if I do have to do some programming, I've got Forescan on my computer. I can do it with that. But if you got any questions about it, let me know. And down in the comments, make sure you like and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Till then, see you in the garage.